Hi, Laken. I'm going to give you some feedback on your week 2 and week 3 entries. Week 2, there is no entry for the grade, and when you do the grade, you have to use this self-grading guide. You didn't do the Gen AI activity. It doesn't look like you've done anything on your personal project here. You haven't used this prompt to summarize that. You did put a link here for your weekly contributions, but you didn't link it properly. It has to be linked to a word. You can't just dump in the URL. I've given folks, I've given you the video to show you how to do that. I've sent it to everyone, so please do that. You've done a good job on in doing your entry here for the Gen AI resources. Therefore, if you summarize it all up in that particular week, you would be receiving a failing grade at this point, not passing. And then we go to week 3, digital literacy in Gen AI. Again, you haven't justified your grade. However, I noticed you kind of went to in-class contributions and put your grade for A plus here, but you haven't done a Gen AI activity. You have, I don't have access to this link here. I don't know what this is for your personal project, so it really means nothing. There's no description, and you didn't use this prompt to summarize it. Therefore, that would be definitely a failing grade. I'm not entirely sure where you're getting the A plus here. You may have completed your 75% of your project, but you haven't documented that. I don't have a link to the project, so that's a problem. You attended the class, so you have the in-class contributions, um, which is fine, but you didn't use this prompt. And so that's a problem. Then you're talking about what you learned here, and this doesn't really, that would be up here, but this is based on the evidence below. So your rating goes up here, and you have no Gen A activity, no personal project that is properly linked at this stage. So you're way off in your self-assessment here, and you did start to use a self-grading guide, which is good, but you need to do this in point form because I don't want to read it in paragraph form. It's too hard to follow. It's not an essay kind of thing. It's like, what did I learn? It's sort of bullet points. And so I think you're feeling good with class, which is great. But you did not complete all week 3 goals. Uh, you're giving yourself an A plus in the class. Fine, that's I agree with that. You didn't evaluate another student's resource, so you're really quite behind now at this point, and I'm concerned. So please fix all this with my suggestions so that we can actually do a proper self-assessment. At this stage, it's incomplete, and therefore I wouldn't be able to pass you at this stage.